In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a photo in Canva. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to edit your image. This can be any type of project, like a presentation, social media post, thumbnail or flyer. The important thing is that your canvas is open and ready so you can work directly on your photo. Once your design is open, add your image if it is not already there, or simply click on the photo you want to adjust. Make sure the photo is actually selected, because Canva only shows the image editing options when the image itself is active. You will usually know it is selected when you see a border or resize handles appear around it. After selecting the photo, look toward the top toolbar of the Canva editor. In that top toolkit, find the flip button and click it. This is the control that lets you reverse the direction of your image. It is especially useful if you want to correct the composition, make a subject face the opposite direction, or better fit the layout of your design. When you use the flip option, Canva gives you the ability to mirror the image quickly and cleanly. This can help balance the design visually, or make text and graphic placement feel more natural alongside the photo. If you are working with multiple photos, you can repeat the same process by selecting each image and using the flip button again as needed. Take a moment after flipping the image to check how it looks in the overall design. Sometimes a flipped photo improves symmetry or spacing, but other times it may affect how recognizable the image feels, especially if there are directional elements in the picture. A quick visual review helps make sure the final result looks intentional and polished. That's all there is to it. Open or create your Canva design, select the photo you want to change, and click the flip button in the top toolbar. It's a simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how your design looks and flows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.